Hi, I'm Stephanie, head grower for Frost Farms, and gardening season has officially begun. And we've set up 3 easy ways for you to shop with us. You can shop with social distancing precautions at our store in Town Hill. Or you can shop online and choose curbside pickup. We'll call you when the order is ready. Or shop online and choose delivery. Frost Farms provides free delivery to MDI, Lemoyne, and Trenton, with a $10 delivery fee to Ellsworth and other nearby communities. If you would like to shop at our store in Town Hill, here's how it works. We are wearing masks to keep everyone safe. You probably can't see it, but we're smiling at you behind our mask and happy to help. And we really appreciate it if you wear your mask while shopping with us to help keep everyone safe. To make social distancing feasible, it's easier if only 1 to 2 people from your family shop at a time. We've set up one-way traffic loops to facilitate social distancing, and only 2 shoppers allowed at a time inside the main building. Check out your purchases with our tablets outside, and then you and your plants can be on your way. If you prefer to shop online, visit us at frostfarmsmdi.com. Look for the purple box during the checkout process. Here is where you'll select curbside pickup or delivery. If you choose curbside, we'll call you to schedule a safe time for you to pick your order up. If you choose delivery, we will call you directly to schedule a time to deliver your plants and supplies. We know these are strange times, but we want you to enjoy shopping here as much as possible. From all of us here at Frost Farms, thanks for watching and happy gardening.